Let's learn today how to be safe and how to be gentle while using the computer. We are starting with a new chapter using computers, do's and don'ts. So, in that new chapter, this is the first topic to be safe and to be gentle when using the computer. Be safe. Why we have to be safe? Because computers work on electricity. Be gentle because computers are delicate, they can break easily. So we have to be safe. Computers are working on electricity, so if you sit and do some mischief with the computer, yes, you might end up getting an electric shock. So be safe and be gentle. Yes, be soft and slow when using the computer, because computers can get damaged, they can break very easily. Let's learn now about being safe. How to be safe when you are using the computer. So, as the teacher, every time you want to turn the computer on or off. So, now if you are at home, ask your parents or your elders to turn the computer on or off for you. If you are using a laptop or a tab, please ask your parents. If any wire has come out from your computer or from your laptop, ask your parents or your teachers to put the wire back. Do not sit and play with any wire or pull any wire. And do not put your fingers into any slot. What is a slot? On the right hand side of the on the sides of the laptop, you see there are space to put your chargers or put your headphones. There are holes, so those holes are called as your slots. So you are not supposed to put your fingers inside them. Yes, because computers are working on electricity. If you do that, you might hurt yourself, you might get an electric shock. So you have to be very safe and not do such things. Be gentle. How to be gentle? Do not pull the parts away from the computer. Can you see what the little girl is doing? She has removed all the buttons from the keyboard. So don't do that. Yes, it will not get repaired easily, then your keyboard will be spoiled forever. So do not pull the parts away from the computer. Second, do not bang hard on the keyboard. Type softly, don't bang your hands on the keyboard or your keyboard is going to break. So do not bang hard on the keyboard. So be safe and be gentle when you are using a computer. Thank you.